So, the YouTube's new layout sucks. We all know it. But still you could get the old layout back by using some scripts. Sadly, all of them doesn't work anymore.
Oh no!
YouTube is forcing its users to switch to their new overcomplicated layout. Follow the steps that I have shown in this video carefully, and you will get the old awesome YouTube back.
Nice.
So the first step is to go to the website itself. Once you have reached the home page of YouTube, press F12 on your keyboard. Now, you will see the Inspect Element window. In the top right part of the Inspect Element window, click on the tab named Application. From the Application tab, click on the drop-down icon near the Cookies option. Click on the first cookie that says www.youtube.com. Now head over to the filter box and type in PREF. Change the value of the PREF cookie to the string that I have given in the description box below. Hit enter and exit the Inspect Element window. Now, refresh the page. Congratulations! Now you have the awesome YouTube layout back. Thanks for watching my tutorial. Make sure you leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more awesome tutorials and videos like this. It really motivates me to make more videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.